Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. Write the equation of the line that passes through the point -3, 2 and is perpendicular to y equals 2x plus 6. Express your answer in slope-intercept form. Now let us work through the solution step by step. The given line is y equals 2x plus 6. Since it's already in slope-intercept form, we can read the slope directly. The slope of the given line is 2. Perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals of each other. To find the perpendicular slope, we flip the fraction and change the sign. The reciprocal of 2 is 1/2, and changing the sign gives us -1/2. Now we use point slope form. We substitute our perpendicular slope of -1/2 and the given point -3, 2 into the formula. This gives us y minus 2 equals -1/2 times the quantity x plus 3. We distribute -1/2 through the parentheses, giving -1/2 x minus 3/2. Then we add 2 to both sides. Writing 2 as 4/2 lets us combine the constant terms. -3/2 plus 4/2 equals 1/2. So the equation becomes y equals -1/2 x plus 1/2. The graph shows both lines. The original line in blue has a steep positive slope of 2. The new perpendicular line in orange has a gentle negative slope of -1/2 and passes through the point -3, 2. Notice the two lines form a right angle where they cross. Let's verify. Plugging x equals -3 into our new equation gives -1/2 times -3, which is 3/2, plus 1/2 equals 2. That matches the given point. For the perpendicular check, we multiply the two slopes. 2 times -1/2 equals -1. A product of -1 confirms the lines are perpendicular. Both checks pass. The final answer in slope-intercept form is y equals -1/2 x plus 1/2. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.